Welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today we're diving deep into an evaluation of Google Pay. Introduction to Google Pay. Google Pay, developed by Google, is a versatile mobile payment service that simplifies transactions both online and offline. It enables users to make payments, send and receive money, and manage their finances through a single platform. Originally launched as Android Pay in 2015, the service was rebranded to Google Pay in 2018, consolidating various payment services under one unified brand. Setting up Google Pay. Download and installation. Google Pay can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The installation process is straightforward, requiring a Google account. Account setup. Users need to link their bank accounts, debit, or credit cards. Google Pay supports various financial institutions, but availability may vary by region. Security measures. Security is a top priority, with features like tokenization, biometric authentication, fingerprint or face recognition, and a secure element chip in compatible devices to safeguard transactions. Features and functionality. Contactless payments. Google Pay allows for NFC-based contactless payments, making in-store purchases quick and easy. Users simply unlock their device and hold it near a payment terminal. Peer-to-peer payments. Users can send and receive money instantly with friends and family. This feature is especially useful for splitting bills, paying for services, or gifting money. Online and in-app payments. Many websites and mobile apps accept Google Pay, streamlining the checkout process by eliminating the need to manually enter payment details. Bill payments. Google Pay supports paying utility bills, mobile recharges, and other recurring expenses directly through the app. Additional features. Loyalty and gift cards. Users can store loyalty program cards and gift cards in the app, allowing them to earn and redeem rewards without carrying physical cards. Offers and rewards. Google Pay frequently provides cashback offers, discounts, and rewards for transactions made through the app. Users can access these promotions directly from the app. Transit payments. In several cities, Google Pay can be used for public transit payments, making commuting more convenient. International transfers. Google Pay supports international money transfers through partnerships with services like Wise, offering competitive exchange rates and low fees. User experience. Interface and usability. Google Pay boasts a clean, intuitive interface. Users can easily navigate through different functionalities, from making payments to checking transaction history. Customer support. Google Pay offers robust customer support through various channels, including in-app support, online help centers, and community forums. Security and privacy. Data encryption. All transactions are encrypted, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure during and after the transaction. Fraud protection. Google Pay offers extensive fraud protection, including real-time alerts for suspicious activity and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. Conclusion. Google Pay stands out as a comprehensive, secure, and user-friendly mobile payment solution. Its integration with the broader Google ecosystem and continual addition of new features make it a compelling choice for users seeking a reliable and convenient payment app. That wraps up our detailed review of Google Pay. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.